Construction at current mission site began in 1771 after Father Serra moved the mission away from the Presidio in Monterey. He took charge of the building himself. There were a lot of trees around Carmel Mission. The first buildings, except the church, were made of logs stuck in the ground and standing vertically, with more logs across the top, covered with sticks and grass to make a roof. The first church was a brush hut. All the buildings were surrounded by a pole fence. Father Palou built the next church at Carmel Mission. It was made of logs and tule reeds and was finished by 1776, along with Father's quarters made of adobe and a separate kitchen. After Father Serra died in 1784, Father Lasuen decided to build a new stone church in 1793. Because Fathers Serra and Crespi were buried in the old church, they didn't want to move them, so they built the new church in the same spot. A master bricklayer from Mexico named Manuel Ruiz supervised construction. The church was finished in 1797. The design is unique, the walls curve inward, and the ceiling follows the curve to form an arch. Mission Carmel is one of only 3 California missions built of stone, made from native sandstone quarried in the nearby Santa Lucia Mountains. A burial chapel was added to the church in 1821. After secularization, the mission roof collapsed in 1851, and the building stood roofless for 30 years. In 1884, Father Angelo Casanova, the pastor at Monterey, raised money to repair the church for the 100th anniversary of Father Serra's death. They built a wood and shingle roof on the church, with a high peak that made the building look odd. Harry Downey came to the mission to repair broken statues. He got so interested in the old building that he started to research and began restoring the whole mission in 1931. In 1936 a roof that looked like the original was built. In 1939, Downey found the remains of the original cross buried in the patio. He created a replica and placed it in that same spot. He was supported by Father Michael O'Connell, who became pastor of Carmel Mission after 1933, and it took him 50 years to complete the job.